So at any given time, at any point throughout the day that you find yourself struggling, ask yourself, is this a fact? Is this a fact? Or is it just true? If it is, you know what you can do with facts. You know what you can do with facts. You can use facts to bring about your change. You can use facts to bring about your change. Which fact are you going to use? You say to yourself, look, man, I've been doing this thing the same way every time. I've been doing this for 30 years. I've been doing it for so long, it's become the truth to me. But that truth is not the fact. The fact is, it's just the rhythm that I've been doing this whole time. So now the other fact to free yourself would be, I can learn a new rhythm. That is fact. You can learn a new rhythm. It's fact. So are you stuck? Feeling like you're stuck because it's your perception, right? What you think is true. Well, I don't know if I can do this. I've tried so many times, and man, that's the truth, man. I've been trying so hard. Yes, it's true. But the fact is, it is a rhythm. It is a pattern. And if you don't like one rhythm or pattern, make a new one. So that becomes the truth for you. See, there's a difference between when you comprehend truth. Yeah? There's a difference when you comprehend truth, when you recognize that truth is influenced by the observer, by the one living the experience. You now become deliberate to form your own truth based upon what? Fact.